ladies and gentlemen, this is our Liger complex. This is a female Liger, this is a male Liger. The male Liger carries the trait of a lion because they're 50% lion, 50% tiger, and they get their name because the lion was the dad. So it would be the same thing as a tigon. The tiger is the dad of a lion mother, okay? And so this was our first 6 Ligers ever born at our facility. This facility is the only facility in the world to house and have born Ligers, Tiligers, Tigons, Liligers, and we're working on our last step here to create another one. All right, but anyway, how many of you have ever heard on the internet or you've been told that crossbred, hybrid cats are born with genetic defects, flaws, they don't live as long, their babies are too big to be born, all that good crap, okay? First of all, I'd like to tell you that that's exactly what it is crap. I am the world's leading expert for hybridization. I work very closely with the National Institute of Health. All right, and what we've been able to do by hybridizing big cats is prove 2 main things. 1, all cats are the same or they cannot breed and produce offspring, okay? You can literally breed a lion to a leopard or a leopard to a bobcat, it doesn't matter, okay? The secret is they have to grow up together in order to get rid of that diversity and that discrimination. All right, you can't put 2 adults together or one of them's gonna die. That's why not very many people in the world do this, because it takes so long, because it's 5 years in between each step. And most people do this for money, okay, is to breed and produce cubs and everything else. They like to confuse you with inbreeding, okay? Inbreeding is a bad thing. That's where you take brother, sister, mother, father, and breed them all together to get babies and sell babies, okay? And that's where you get cross-eyed, club feet, snub noses, and stuff like that. And if you don't understand what inbreeding is, when you're done here, go to Wynnewood to the Easy Mart, check that out, okay? All right, but the second thing we've been able to prove is genetically, crossbred animals are stronger than purebred animals, okay? To put it in layman's terms for you, you can go to the dog pound and adopt a mutt dog, take him home, get run over twice, eat rat poison, and never need to go to the vet. Why? Because genetically they're stronger. You can buy a purebred Doberman Pinscher, Chihuahua, Poodle, whatever, and they're constantly on special diets because their stomach's messed up, skin allergies, eye allergies, something's wrong all the time because genetically they're weaker. They've been bred too long, okay? So the purpose for all this is we know it's a fact of life that in 10 years the tigers are going to be extinct in the wild, possibly in captivity. Okay, so what we've been able to do is we've been able to create a larger, because the minute they're crossbred, they're born with a genetic growth gene called an epic gene. They never stop growing. We've been able to create a larger, stronger, lives just as long living incubator to hide the tiger DNA in. All right, so in 16 years, it would take me, if the tigers became extinct, it would take me 16 years to reverse this process, because we've never done this with any artificial insemination, sperm counting, or anything else, is to just backbreed that out, and I could do that in 16 years, and I could pull that DNA out of those Ligers or Liligers and put a purebred tiger back on this planet by reverse breeding this off. And that's why we're doing this, ladies and gentlemen, is to save the tiger species someday, like we wish we would of many other species.